Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made.
Everything starts with safety, cleanliness, and precision.
This modern facility turns simple potatoes into the crunchy chips you love.
Let's walk through each stage of the journey.
Everything is controlled and monitored digitally for consistent quality.
But before they look like this, they start in a very different place, the fields. Our journey begins on the farm, where potatoes are carefully grown and harvested. Specialized harvesters lift potatoes from the earth with minimal damage. From the fields, fresh potatoes are rushed straight to the processing plant. At the factory, every load is logged, inspected, and traced.
Technicians check size, sugar content, and defects before approval.
Approved potatoes are gently transferred into receiving hoppers. Loose soil and stones are removed before the real cleaning begins. Every batch can be traced from farm to final bag. High-pressure water jets scrub away any remaining dirt. Operators supervise each stage via a central control system.
Multiple lines allow the factory to process tons of potatoes every hour.
As production ramps up, every component comes to life.
Seasonings arrive separately and are stored with the same care.
In rotating drums, the potatoes are thoroughly washed. High-pressure showers remove remaining soil and debris. Human eyes still play a vital role in quality control.
Any potato that doesn't meet standards is removed.
Next, the skins are gently removed in continuous peelers.
Clean, peeled potatoes are now ready to be sliced.
Razor-sharp blades cut them into perfectly thin slices in milliseconds. Automated gauges keep slice thickness consistent for an even crunch. A quick blanch helps control color and texture during frying. This step also helps wash away excess starch. Powerful air knives remove surface moisture before frying. Warm air pre-dries the slices for a controlled, even cook. Another visual check catches any defects before they hit the fryer. Now comes the transformation, frying the slices into crispy chips. Time and temperature are carefully controlled for perfect color and crunch. Operators fine-tune adjustments in real time. Continuous filtration keeps the oil clean for a consistent flavor. Vibrating conveyors remove extra oil while cooling the chips slightly.
Now the flavor magic begins.
Carefully dosed seasonings coat every chip evenly. Each flavor blend is mixed in precise ratios, following tightly controlled recipes. Recipes are stored digitally to ensure every batch tastes identical.
Different flavors follow their own route through the factory.
Before packaging, chips travel across cooling conveyors.
The bubbles and ridges lock in crunch and flavor. Trained tasters check flavor, aroma, and crunch.
With taste and texture locked in, it's time to package.
Portions are measured by fast, ultra-precise weighing systems. Each bag receives the same amount of chips, down to fractions of a gram.
Pre-printed film carries brand, flavor, and essential information.
Nitrogen is added to keep chips fresh and protect them from breaking.
Operators monitor packaging performance continuously.
Multiple lines can run different flavors at the same time.
Automated cartoners place bags into retail or bulk boxes.
Sealed cases protect the product on its journey.
From here, cases head to automated palletizing stations.
Stretch-wrapped pallets are secured for transport. Beyond the line, a dedicated lab checks safety and consistency.
Weight, size, and breakage levels are monitored closely.
Every bag passes through metal detection or X-ray inspection for safety.
Did you notice the salt variation on cup 4?
Yes, slightly uneven. The crunch on 7 is superior, though.
Finished products wait here for shipment to stores and customers.
From farm fields to fully loaded trucks, every step is carefully controlled.
And that's how potato chips are made. A dead. From farm to flavor, start to finish.
From simple potatoes to the snack in your hand, powered by modern engineering.